हाँ मैं तो सब ले लूँ यार, मैं इसका भी गिफ्ट ले लूँ, खुद का भी लाया हुआ ले लूँ। Are you serious? Are you serious? अरे चालू तो दे दी थी।
I feel like blushing. So that's it. मेरे पास और कुछ बोलने के लिए नहीं।
It's your time to be the secret Santa. So it's time for shopping.
Hi guys, so I am Adi's Secret Santa and I have no clue what I'm gonna buy for him. I'm going out right now, it's already dark, but I hope I find something good for him that he likes. And I am good with buying gifts actually, I'm really good. So I just hope that I buy something good for him. I'm planning to be creative, not a simple gift. I'll go all out. I know the budget is 250, but I'm just planning I'll go out full in 250 also. Like I'll make such a different gift probably.
I don't know what should I get for her. It's too confusing. I just know her from a couple of months, so let's see what I get.
फाइनली मिल गया भाई।
Hey, this is nice.
Wow.
So
Very
pretty.
nice.
So pretty.
It's so cool. I like this. I
know,
don't know
right?
who made it.
I love the food.
Yeah.
They have
Oh yeah, I didn't see it.
Can I eat one?
Yes. Oh, it's heart shaped. So cute.
And it's nice.
Look
This
at
is
the
really-
Christmas tree. Oh my
Yeah,
God,
yeah.
it's so pretty.
I like
the
this
socks.
as well.
Socks is also so pretty.
Oh yeah, the one behind.
Yeah.
Look at the lights.
I suddenly feel like singing, "It's Christmas."
So let's get to the business.
Yes.
All right. So we are here.
Let's start with the Secret Santa. I'm super
Whose
excited.
idea was this actually? Whose idea was this actually?
Who knows?
Who knows?
Yeah.
The whole part is secret. Adi.
It's secret.
Santa.
No, come on, yes. There has to be someone. a
Yeah, I
master.
know, but I have no clue. I got the bowl, I pick up the chit, and I went out shopping.
Yeah, that was a surprise.
That
like,
was a fun
bowl coming directly in front of me.
Yeah.
और pick it up, watch it.
I mean, the budget was still 250.
Yeah.
It was a challenge for me, okay?
Yeah, it was like searching all around. I was like, are you serious? 250?
हाँ, I mean like भैया थोड़ा और कम कर दो,
हाँ,
250 के
seriously.
अंदर ही
ढूंढने
चाहिए.
बहुत टाइम गया लेकिन पता है बहुत
किधर
उधर
ढूंढा
जाना,
किधर, bro?
उधर- अरे बहुत ढूंढा पता है
मिला
फाइनली
कि
जाके
नहीं?
मिल गया हाँ मिल गया
पक्का ना?
Finally.
पक्का मिला?
So I think हम सब आज gifts के साथ ही आए.
Yeah.
Directly.
It's gonna be a happy day getting gifts. I love getting gifts,
Oh,
surprises.
who doesn't
Who
love
doesn't?
gifts?
Yeah, actually everyone loves.
Yeah.
So who do you want to start with first?
लेडीज फर्स्ट
ऐसे कुछ जरूरी नहीं. बिल्कुल जरूरी. Let's do the opposite today.
Yeah, let's
Yeah.
change it.
Okay.
Let's change it. Let's go.
Okay. So
Pick up your gift
Let's
and
check it. I'll come here.
Okay.
This side. See?
yes.
मेरी गिफ्ट कौन सी है ये नहीं है
I'm getting a ऐसे heartbeat ऐसे I don't know why तक.
शायद यही है गिफ्ट
Sure है?
हाँ श्योर है भाई यही रहेगा
Good.
Is it his gift?
Yes, it
Who
is
is the
his
secret
gift.
Santa? Guess तो करो.
दोनों में से कोई तो एक होगा
Oh, confidence.
I know confidence तुम दोनों में से कोई.
आलिया रहेगी फिर सीक्रेट सेंटा या फिक्स 70%
Let's see.
ठीक है.
या ठीक है
तूने आलिया को
Okay.
गेस किया है ना?
हाँ,
चलो मेरी बारी.
हाँ,
हट जा.
हाँ,
Come on, Adi. Okay, now
ठीक है.
Now your turn.
So
Adi.
यार इसमें बहुत कुछ है. इसमें बहुत कुछ है यार. Can I pick this one? अगर ये मेरा नहीं रहा तो फिर भी.
Your wish.
Can I take it?
You want to
Sure.
have the entire bag?
हाँ मैं तो सब ले लूँ यार. मैं इसका भी गिफ्ट ले लूँ, खुद का भी लाया हुआ ले लूँ.
ठीक है.
I hope this is mine. I wish this is mine.
Okay. And what do you think? Who gave you this?
So probably I know by the bag. ठीक है. तू नहीं है. तू नहीं है. तूने मेरा नाम हटाया तो तू नहीं है.
आप लोग डिस्कस कर लो.
Yeah.
But you discuss on your own.
हम तो है ही नहीं पार्टिस.
I think this will be Priyanka.
Why?
Why? बहुत मेहनत की है तूने. ठीक है. Looking at so many things. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 gifts, guys. 7 gifts. So I don't know. This may be Priyanka. Am I right or wrong? ये तो बता. See. Your turn, lady.
You know I love gifting, so.
Yeah.
Go Priyanka.
Go.
Oh, I'm
Your
eating.
turn.
You want to
Okay,
go?
I'll
I'm
go.
still eating my
Okay.
cookie.
Pick.
Oh, whichever you are choosing.
Pick.
The remaining one, give it to me.
Better. You won't
Better.
have to
Yeah, I
get
don't
Yeah.
need to get up
up.
and
So
say.
lazy.
I
She's
think-
already in the Christmas mood.
I'm already in the Christmas.
Holidays.
Season.
Yes.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna pick. I'll pick this one.
This one?
Okay.
Yes. So I have to guess now.
Guess.
Let me think.
अरे.
Wow, how can I miss a prompt? Of course, so I. Priyanka का हो गया है. Either of you.
It's the voice.
Yeah, it's
It's
obviously
now
boys.
the boys. It's now the boys' game.
I have a feeling. I think Adi.
Okay.
I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but
Let's see.
okay. So this one is for you. Then I will do this to you.
Thank you.
And so, who do you think?
I don't know why, but I feel like I gave gift to you. It's your name which I got, and Alia and ये इन लोग का हुआ है सुनील. I feel like that.
Okay.
Even
a
I had a
coincidence.
feeling, but then I was like, I don't
Interesting.
I feel like that. It might be a coincidence also,
Okay.
but what if? So even I feel it's Adi. I am so sorry. No one picked your name.
You're left over.
know. No, I'm in the middle somewhere.
But मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आलिया ने आपको दिया, आपने आलिया को दिया, और हम दोनों ने ऐसे की. I feel. Now I don't
But
know.
this was coincidental, guys. Nothing planned into it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's really that way?
If that would
really?
be. If that would be. I
Okay.
don't know.
Wait, I'm more interested here. First.
Okay, you need to read each and every chit that I've given.
Okay. This is interesting.
You have really.
I am embarrassed.
You really said Christmas Secret Santa.
So this is lip balm. ठीक है? And I have a note which says Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Happy New
Year.
Happy New Year. ठीक है? So this is one.
Very creative.
Impressive.
Thank you. Oh wait! Oh no, my reindeer. It's a reindeer. I tried to make a reindeer.
Sorry reindeer. You're no more a reindeer.
I'm so sorry.
ऐसा कुछ था?
So it's a reindeer and the happy face.
Happy face with a reindeer, guys.
Yeah, the red is his nose, like Rudolph the
You
reindeer.
took mehnat in this.
Thank you.
Impressive. Okay.
Oh god, no.
It's okay. You gave it such a sweet heart.
What do you think? What is this? Please, before opening it.
टिश्यू पेपर रोल लग रहा है मेरे को ये.
Okay, open it.
Oh my god! Don't tell me it's actually tissue paper roll.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Why would someone give a tissue paper roll, guys?
Emergency, you know.
You need to read the letter, like chits.
Oh, the
In case you get crap for Christmas, let it go. Oh, no.
It's a toilet
मतलब
paper.
लड़की लोग कुछ भी दे सकते हैं, ठीक है, गिफ्ट में, ठीक है.
Let it go with the song, okay? Let it go, can't hold you
कल
back
से रोज-
anymore.
oh my god! ये इधर Frozen का चल रहा है. Okay.
My embarrassment level is going high.
I don't know how did you thought this of. You're very smart. I was right about this. I was right, guys. This is a sanitizer, ठीक है.
It's not a sanitizer.
Whatever,
I
but
think it's a hand wash.
It's a hand wash.
वही काम करने वाला है.
Yeah,
ठीक
but
है.
you need to.
I wish you a Merry Christmas. Impressive, guys. Impressive.
Slow claps for you.
इतना क्यों सोचती है लाइफ में?
Second last.
Okay, I was right. Something water, so just Sprite. ठीक है, and may your days be merry and sprite. and may all your Christmases be white. Whoa, rhyming. Girl is becoming a poet.
Wow.
Very nice.
This is food.
This
This is
is
food.
food. This is food. But what is it?
Doritos.
I hope you like Doritos.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's food.
Tension mat le. This is nacho, ordinary Christmas gift because you are nacho. Ordinary. Wow. Interesting. So guys, this is one more. Okay. And I'm done with.
देख सकते हो कि आधा तो पहले से ओपन कर चुका हूँ, तो थोड़ा और ऊपर करना है।
Patience नहीं ना बिल्कुल भी
Yeah.
तेरे को
Yeah,
bro.
let's go.
हेलो.
Oh.
ओ तेरे को बर्फ और पानी दिए.
Ice water.
You can
Everything
smell
is
it also.
Christmas related. Everything is Christmas related, right?
God, I'm so nervous right now. I'm giving you a second. I don't know if the person like it or not.
Smells good.
हाँ? अच्छा लगा एकदम? खुश हो गया? Interesting.
Yeah.
Next girls.
You open it.
Don't have nails. It's a perfume.
It's a perfume.
Oh, very nice. That's a good coincidence. I'll tell you later why.
I can't open it.
It's okay. Wait. I will struggle.
Oh.
What?
Same thing.
Never mind. You know what? Till I try to open struggle
Okay,
with this.
yeah.
you go ahead and
I'll
open
try
yours.
to open this. Oh god, this is a good packaging, but I'm sorry.
So I finally opened it, guys.
Nice.
Finally.
The
Nails.
bottle looks so pretty. Look.
Yeah, it's travel size and so pretty.
Yeah, na? It's like it just put in my bag, and it's for Minnie. So thank you, Sunil.
खुश हो गया देख.
It's very pretty.
Yeah,
I
it's
will
very
be
nice.
sure to use it well every day.
Yeah.
Kamsamida.
कल से दोनों जन डेस्क पे.
Yes,
Yeah.
रखे
कल से
रहेगा,
रखे
वहीं पे
रहना.
रखे रहेगा.
Mine is very pretty. It's purple in color and lavender smell. I love both. Like it's. I'm gonna keep this on my desk and use it every day. Thank you so much.
Every day?
Kamsamida. Not every day.
नहीं समझा guys.
Sunil ko समझा because he's so used
He
to
is
editing.
so used to
videos.
editing.
Can you translate?
Yeah,
मतलब क्या?
it's a thank you gesture kind of thing.
Okay, still. धन्यवाद हाँ.
So now that we have gifts
Open
with
that
us
gift.
Okay.
We are going to move to
to the
our
second segment,
Okay.
and that is.
Do you all know what it is?
No.
We will tell you what it is.
Okay.
So basically, now that we've opened our gifts, we are going to write each other's a letter.
Okay.
A heartwarming letter with all the emotions and whatever you want to write, no restrictions, but one thing you are supposed to mention is what do you wish for that person next year. Like, I wish this person should be happy, joyful. That's a common thing.
Okay.
But something special for
Okay.
that person, a wish for next year. So you need to end the letter that way.
Okay. मतलब रुलाने का technically.
Yeah.
Okay. ठीक है.
So you have to like
That's
dive
right.
into the Christmas.
Yes.
Okay. So let's do this.
Yes.
As you say. Okay, ये नीट नहीं रहने वाला है. बहुत कुछ कचरा होने वाला है
I know,
इसके बीच में.
I
ठीक
know.
है, बहुत सारा
हाँ.
cuts होगा.
And
So
my
please
handwriting
write.
is very bad, so sorry.
हाँ, I've seen handwriting.
It's very bad.
Please try to write. Done.
Who opened the gift first? Sunil. Sunil.
Hey, we open the gifts first, so why not we change it to the girls?
I love your handwriting.
Thank you. Thank
Told
you.
you the same thing.
You'll read mine, you'll faint. Dear Priyanka, firstly, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry
I
Christmas.
didn't mention that.
As the year changes soon, I wish all your dreams come true. Thank you. It's not been long that I know you, but quite a while to get along. You have been one of the warmest soul
I'm good writer.
I have met. You have an adorable, cheerful smile. Thank you. I feel like blushing. I'm not sure how we met first, but I am happy we met. So now coming to New Year, I truly believe and wish you to be very successful in whatever you aspire. Also, good luck to Hallyu Awards.
Coming soon. Coming soon, guys.
Coming soon, guys.
That was a plug-in.
Good way to promote.
That was a plug-in.
Very nice.
Those are coming soon. Stay happy, stay blessed, and stay beautiful always.
Aww, that is so
PS,
sweet.
Happy New Year. Thank you.
This letter is from Sunil, so I'll read it. Hi Alia. Hi Sunil. I don't know more about you, but I feel like you are such a nice person. Thank you very much. I feel the same way about you. I hope we know each other more coming next year. So that's it. मेरे पास और कुछ बोलने के लिए नहीं। शायद कम पर
जाए।
हाँ, शायद कम पर जाए जब next Christmas आएगा. So at least मैं full page तेरे बारे में लिखूंगा.
That was nice.
That was so genuine, very
Very
nice.
nice, bro.
And thank you for the gift. Thanks and regards, Sunil. With files attached over here. This is the cutest thing ever.
He's
Thank
definitely
you,
sending a
Sunil.
mail.
Oh, of course, I've got a signed
Yeah.
signature also.
Finally,
Amazing.
इसको बोलते हैं हालियो एडिट कर करके क्या होता है. This is the हाली effect.
Thank you so much, Sunil. Over to you.
Should I read now? कि इसको
Yes.
पहले बोल. It is very long
Read it.
यार.
Okay, fine.
दो
So,
पेपर है, दो.
Okay, Sunil reads first.
Sunil
and then you
reads
read.
first and then you can go.
Dear Sunil, I may not know you for a really long time, but I appreciate your hard work.
Oh, everyone
Everyone
started on the
has that.
same line.
So that's true,
yeah.
guys.
Yeah,
हम लोग एक दूसरे
everyone
को नहीं
started the
जानते.
same thing.
You are not only patient, but truly hardworking and understanding. Thank you.
जा घर पे.
Going forward into all the new year, and don't just wish you happiness, but so much personal growth. May you always be in the pink of health, and may every moment of happiness find you.
Nice, nice,
Nice.
very nice.
I wish you good days both in your personal and professional style.
Life,
काय वाचतो.
Professional life. I hope you like the gift. Yeah, very much.
Thank
Oh shit, ये तो mention ही नहीं किया.
आज मैंने भी नहीं
Get to know
किया.
each other better and work hard. Alia.
Very nice.
You did not mention that in your letter, no?
No,
Even
I-
I asked
ठीक
brain
है.
is working the
Same,
same way.
same level. आज
it's
same
okay,
level पे चल
same.
रहा है.
One brain cell.
I know.
share.
Very nice. So,
Okay,
My
now
turn.
it's finally.
I'm again embarrassed.
okay guys, I'll tell you one thing.
You
मैडम
don't
के
have
पास
to
दो
be.
पेपर्स है, ठीक है? So I have to read two papers basically, ठीक है? So, are you serious? ठीक है.
ऐसे लिखिए.
Hey Adi, so we have to write letters to each other honestly, and I have no clue what to write and how to start. So I will write whatever that comes in my mind. सबसे पहले. सबसे पहले. I still remember my first day at office, and I clearly was so lost, didn't knew anyone, and you came up to me and said hi and asked if I needed the Wi-Fi password. Well, yes. Oh,
That is so
answering,
similar.
answering.
I don't know. I was reading your letter. I was like, dude, I've already answered that
Very
in my
nice,
letter.
Very nice. Well, yes. Handwriting बहुत बकवास है इसका. Feelings बहुत अच्छे हैं, but ठीक है. And so glad that the Wi-Fi made our conversation and friendship more better connected. Well, I have always looked up to you, admired your working passion, and trust me, it motivates me a lot to not to be lazy bums. ठीक है. I even want to thank you for always helping me and Halyu team whenever it was needed. Have always seen you happy, kind and dedicated as a person with ऐसा colon. मतलब मैडम बोल चुकी थी. इसने 2 बार पढ़ा इसका मतलब. As a person, so I wish these are constant in your life. And as for one thing that I wish for next year.
Acha, sorry.
For your next year is of course more happiness, joy, a healthy life. I really wish next year you are able to go out more and enjoy a beautiful, successful yet social life. I clearly don't know how much time will I have in the office, but I would genuinely love to thank you and every single person in the office. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from...
Jamshman Kedarach sayo Anyam.
Thank you so much.
So sweet.
This was very sweet actually.
Thank you.
And very long as well. बहुत लिखती है रे तू.
I really love this, atmosphere, the
Yeah.
gifts, the writing letter. Like, we should do this at least once. Like, everyone should, because there are some things that we don't say it on face, but letters and gifts can help.
Yeah, this can help. Actually, it's very unexpected कि ऐसा कुछ आएगा. Honestly speaking, well, I was like कि ठीक है, small letter, cute stuff, cute things are all
Yeah.
around. Korean again.
I did not take anything Korean. It's just the ending part.
Whatever, but जा तो हमारे हालियों पे, but still.
Yeah, still.
But yeah, this was actually a nice thing. We should do it more often.
Yeah.
should.
Office mein to we should do
We
it.
should do it. It's
Yeah.
really nice.
Yeah.
I mean, of course, letters to me are like a very personal
Personal
thing.
touch,
I love, like, I have all the letters everyone's given me and I've
Same.
kept it, so this is gonna go in there too.
Same.
Even though I think we don't know each other and I'm pretty much of a newbie, but I think this was a very comforting feeling,
yeah.
like a warm welcome, I would say.
It's personal touch.
Yes, personal touch. Sunil?
पसंद नहीं है तेरे को? आया ना
पसंद
पसंद?
तो आया एक्चुअली बहुत सही है और एक्चुअली जानते ही नहीं हम दोनों एक दूसरे को इसलिए वही उसी में नहीं हो पाया उतना लिख नहीं पाया
I swear, जानती होती तो दो पेज होते, 3 पेज होते.
Same. If I knew, तो फिर ज्यादा होता.
वाईफाई पासवर्ड
हाँ वाईफाई
जान कर रख दो.
सही है अगली बार जब आएंगे तो पूरा लिखेंगे
Yes.
Yes, next year, more gifts and
Yeah,
more.
I think this is making me look forward to what next year's
what
gonna be like.
next Christmas we are going to do, right?
नहीं, I'm first waiting कि बाहर जाके हम लोग बाकी लोग टीम के साथ भी खेलते हैं थोड़ा
Oh,
सा.
yes.
I want more gifts.
Yeah,
Totally.
actually, more gifts,
I
more
want more
letters.
gifts.
I'm excited for that.
Yeah.
And more food. We did not eat food actually, it's so much left. Oh,
Okay.
Merry
And a
Christmas.
Happy New Year
And a
in
Happy
advance.
New Year, everyone.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you all. guys.
Yes.
Let's eat.
And let's eat.
खाता है
Oh, we did not eat
They're clearly waiting.
ये
This
किसका
is
idea
too
था?
good.
this.
ये